In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ThinkOrSwim Web. This is a powerful browser-based trading platform from Charles Schwab where you can trade directly from your browser without downloading anything. First, let's log in to ThinkOrSwim Web. Open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Head over to trade.thinkorswim.com. Click on the Login button. Now enter your Schwab username and password. You may be prompted for two-step verification. If so, complete it. This step is important to ensure your account is secure. Once you're done, you will land on the main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's understand the main layout of ThinkOrSwim Web. The platform design is quite intuitive. On the left side, you'll see your watch lists. This is where you can track the stocks you are following. Below that are your positions showing your open trades. To the right, you'll find the account summary. It displays your balance, buying power, and profit or loss. The charts panel allows you to view price movements of different stocks. Lastly, there's the trade panel where you place buy or sell orders. Each section serves a unique purpose, making it easier to navigate through your trading activities. With that ready, let's explore how to place a trade. At the top, there's a search bar. Type in the stock you're interested in. Once you find it, click on the stock. You'll see options to buy or sell. Choose the action you want to take. Set the quantity in shares. Decide on the order type, whether it's market or limit. If it's a limit order, set your desired price. Click on Review, then Send Order. And that's it. You've placed a trade. This streamlined process is designed to be quick so you can react to market changes efficiently. After that, let's look at how to use the charts. Click on a stock, then open the Charts tab. Here, you can zoom in or out to see different time frames. You can switch between 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 day, or even 1 week views. Adding indicators like the RSI or moving average can give you deeper insights into price movements. This is crucial for analyzing stock trends and making informed decisions. Next up, let's talk about watch lists for tracking stocks easily. Go to the watch list panel, click on the plus sign to add a symbol. Enter tickers such as AAPL, TSLA, or NVDA. Keeping an organized watch list helps you monitor stocks you are interested in without fuss. Now, let's delve into paper trading, which is the practice mode. Look for the paper money or simulation mode option. Switch your account from live to paper. This allows you to practice trading with fake money, offering a risk-free environment to hone your skills. It's a great way to learn, especially if you're new to trading. Finally, a few important tips. ThinkOrSwim Web is simpler compared to the desktop version. It's best suited for quick trades and monitoring positions. However, if you need advanced tools like full scripting, you might want to explore the desktop version. And there you have it. You now know how to use ThinkOrSwim Web effectively. Feel confident as you navigate through its features. Happy trading, and thank you for watching.